Welcome to another Engel Völkers property tour. My name is Marilyn and I will be showing you around this true gem of contemporary architecture in the heart of the Golden Mile. With almost 1,000 square meters of built surface plus terraces and 6 bedrooms plus 6 bathrooms, this grand villa offers all about luxury and comfort. Look at these double height ceilings and the big open spaces that contribute to the grandiosity of this property. Property is set against the background of calmness and tranquility. Yet we are only 5 minutes away from all the facilities and amenities the Golden Mile has to offer. So the best schools, restaurants, bars are all within 5 minutes reach. This is the very best location of the Golden Mile. When we talk about the finishings, this property has everything. And when I say everything, I truly mean everything. You have underfloor heating throughout the whole property, you have air conditioning, and you have a super cool basement, which is really the cherry on the top of this property. In the basement you have a gym, you have a spa with sauna, with a Turkish bath, and you have a bodega. And as well you have covered parking space for 4 cars, as well as many more cars on the plot. So if you are a car lover, this property is truly for you. Thank you so much for watching, ladies and gentlemen. Remember, you find all the details about the property in the link below. And please remember to like our video and subscribe to our channel. So I hope to see you very soon in our lovely Marbella.